Hello, welcome to my video. Let me introduce myself. I'm Ayarul Vira, number 7. Tornado. Tornado is rapidly rotating column of air that's from connection between cumulonimbus clouds. Tornado come in many shapes but are generally in the form clear, visible convection funnel, wash and tossing touch air neurons and is often surrounded by clouds of debris. Generally, tornadoes have wind speed of 177 km/h. Tornadoes often occur in the United States. Tornadoes occur when the air is hot and dry, especially when fire occurs in forests and residential areas. Tornadoes also have many negative impacts such as disrupting flash activity, outbreaking trash, activating surrounding debris, disrupting electronic waste and others. If a tornado occurs in your vicinity, then you should check the rail shelter in direction away from the tornado. When out the open, crash down to the ground and cover your head. That's disaster among others. Reporter touch the top the wind direction to reduce wind process. Thanks all my present. Thanks for your attention. See you.